and today I'm back with a video that I'm very excited to film. I've got my Alvie Planning Co. advent calendar. I literally just got this 5 minutes ago in the post. I'm super excited to get it opened. All I've done is literally open the box and yeah, we're going to be ready to go. So I'll flip that open. It just came like this in a little, or a rather big box actually. It wasn't small enough to fit through my letterbox. I had to answer the door to the postman. So it says, "Thank you for shopping my small business. Enjoy Alvie Planning Co. 12 days advent calendar." I'm sure I will. Also, excuse me, I'm in my pyjamas. It's freezing today. I've been and done school run. Yeah, and I'm over it. So put my PJs back on until, of course, I have to go and pick her back up again. So let's see what we have got. We have got this, which I presume is the advent calendar. We have got this, which is some little freebies in here. This video, of course, is a spoiler alert. If you do not want to know what is in this advent calendar, then click off this now. Yeah, because I am going to open it all at once like an uncontrollable child that can't control themselves and wants to rip everything open. So let's see what this is that we have got here. I said that really common. What have we got here? What have we got here? We have got, oh, a couple of journaling cards, which I love. I actually already have this one. It's beautiful. I love this girl's pink hair. Super, super pretty. And then I don't have this one, and it's actually got the shop's little logo on the bottom there as well, so I'm going to think that this is original artwork. If I'm wrong, then I'm sorry, but I feel like that's what it might be. Yeah, really, really cute. So we have got some Christmas icons, which are adorable. And then we've got like a little Christmas countdown. So we've got the days to count down, and then dotted in between it looks like we've got some things to do: wrap presents, bake cookies, decorate the Christmas tree, all of those fun things that we do at Christmas. But we're not here for that. We are here for this, which is packaged in Alvie Planning Co.'s statement pink tissue paper with a lovely little sticker on there. So we've got 12 days. 12 days. So like I said, I am about to open this all. If you do not want to know what is in here, you need to click off and stop watching. So I never know how you're supposed to open a 12-day calendar. Are you supposed to go from day 1 to 12, or are you supposed to go from day 12 to 1? When do you start it? Presumably the 14th? Yeah? But anyway, today is about the 15th of November, so none of that is relevant. So everything is packaged in these beautiful little black envelopes. We've got some large ones, we've got some small ones. They've got a little sticker on with the date, with the number on. Now I think the number is handwritten. Let me have a look. Yeah, I'm going to say that the number is handwritten, which I really like. I personally like a personal touch from a shop, and to take the effort to go and write all the numbers on the stickers, especially when I know you're a sticker shop and you could just print a sticker for that. Anyway, I'm ripping into day 1, and here we have got 2 sheets, which is always a bonus. It's nice to get 2 things in one day. So we have got some checklist boxes, which are adorable, in the shape of little Christmas presents as well, I think. They'd be good for a Christmas list. And then we've got 4 of these memo style, almost like post-it note style stickers as well. Love both of those. In day 2, we've got a bigger envelope. So let's open this one up. Okay, so in day number 2, we have got, oh my goodness, I've never had any vellum or acetate from Alvie Planning Co. before. We've got 2 sheets. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that so much. So we've got a sheet of vellum that has got some beautiful roses on, and it's holographic foil. And then we've got a piece of, I think it's paper. It's not actually acetate or vellum, but it's got this gorgeous design on it of the 2 girls with the lips and the little foliage. I really like those. They are beautiful. Let's move on to day 3 then. This one feels a bit heavier. Can you hear that? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is like Christmas is starting for me. Oh, we've got some vellum sticky notes. I love some sticky notes. They're so useful. So we got them. They're a nude colour, which is really, really pretty. And then let's go on to day 4. A smaller envelope again. Oh, and then in here we have got some months of the year stickers. I'm a big fan of these style stickers. I have actually had the ones that she's got in the shop at the moment. They do look a bit different. This does look like a new design. And also I've got the ones that are on the white paper, but these are the clear stickers, which are really nice. So I like those. I've actually just reordered some of the original ones that I bought. Then we have got day 5. In here we have got, oh, we've got a vinyl that's got my name on it. How pretty is that? A little vinyl with some florals. Beautiful. Again, holographic foil. Can't remember if I made a foil choice. I'm not sure. I don't know. I know that I did have to say what my name was. I can't remember. I think I did have to say what planner size I wanted as well. I think I've slept since then. I don't suppose it's relevant anymore anyway because you can't get this. So we've got day number 6 here. As usual, I'm useless as ever at remembering what I've done. And we have got some, what would you call these? You could put them on tabs, couldn't you? Bills, home, monthly, weekly, health, shopping, list, personal, finance, pets, kids, projects, notes, important, health, calendar, family, school, work, birthdays, passwords, daily, remember, and goals. They are going to be perfect for setting up my Stalogy for 2022. Moving on to day 7, a smaller envelope again. All things good come in small packages, is that right? And then we have got some, are these overlay boxes? Let's have a little look. See, they are overlay boxes in the beautiful holographic foil. Super pretty. And I don't know how well it's going to pick up on camera, but as usual, the foiling is absolutely impeccable. I've always found that with Alvie Planning Co's foiling. Never anything wrong with it. Beautiful. Getting on to day 8, and we are on a bigger envelope. And in here we have got some date covers. Always handy to have. In the nude palette, what does it say? Vertical date covers nude. We've got 4 different styles of writing, 4 different colours. Something to go with everything. Moving on to day 9. Oh, tabs. Oh, I love tabs. Holographic bow tabs. Nothing else needs to be said about those. They are absolutely perfect. And then we've got day 10. And day 10 is a chunky boy. What is in here? I'm going to take a guess. This is a pen. 100% a pen. Let's have a look. We do have a pen, and I think I can see gems. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. We do have a pen. We have a very classy looking black pen with some sparkle gems inside. It's like a little twisty top one. I do have some post-it notes here. Let's see what we can write. I think it just needs to get going a little bit. It's very smooth. Yeah, it just needed to get going a little bit. That is perfect. I love that. I love fancy pens. And then we are into day 11. Is that the whole year? Is that the whole year? Oh, I hope so, because every time I get an order from Alvie Planning, I get one of these, and I'm always quite early setting up my monthly, and I always wish that I'd done it when I got the little calendar thing. Oh, if this is the whole year, I'm going to pee my pants. Are they stickers as well? Oh, they're not stickers, but it is the whole year. These are beautiful. Oh, they're all the same theme as well. Oh, I love them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So they are all the same colourway, but I don't know if you noticed, they've all got like a different little background doodle on them. I love those so much. If you couldn't tell by the way that I squealed when I saw them. And then moving on to the last day, which is of course day number 12. We are on a bigger envelope. Let's see what we have got in here. Oh, we have got a kit. We have got a full kit. So this will be the reason why I was asked what planner size I wanted. I chose standard vertical as well, just for reference there. So, what's it say? You are blooming gorgeous. Thank you very much. Bloom where you are planted. We've got our 9 full boxes. We've got some functionals and some headers. We've got some checklists and some functional date covers, a weekend banner. I love these. I love script stickers, trackers, and of course some washi and some headers. I love that so much. You will absolutely see that in a plan with me coming very, very soon. Popping back in for a second, I'll either add this in at the right time, at the right number, or I'll add this at the end. But I was just clearing everything away and I realised that on day 9, when I got the bow tabs, there was actually 2 sets, and we got these ones as well, which are just as pretty. So that was everything that was in the 2021 Alvie Planning Co. 12-day advent calendar. I'm really happy with everything. I've laid everything out on the table and I'm looking at everything, and I will tell you the truth as well. I will genuinely tell you the truth. I was going to put them to the side of things that I like and things that I don't like, things that I would use and things that I wouldn't, but I am honestly going to tell you that I think I will use everything. A bit too sad if you didn't manage to get your hands on one of these advent calendars. Everything that is in here is very much the Alvie Planning Co. style, and you will find lots of things of the same style in the shop, even if they're not these exact items. And I also have a discount code called which is Rachel10, which will get you 10% off in the shop. Just to be very, very clear as well, I did pay for this myself. I was not gifted this, and I have given you my honest unboxing and opening. But anyway, that is everything that I got in the Alvie Planning Co. advent calendar, and I absolutely love it. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!